of light through prism. Now see, when you talk of a prism, basically prism, you will find this is the figure of a prism. This is a prism, right? It is made up of transparent material. It is made up of glass, and it's a 3D figure, right? So this is basically the prism. Now in this case, you will find in prism, it has 5 faces. You can see here 3 rectangular. What are the 3 rectangular faces? You can make out here. These are the rectangular faces. You can see these rectangular faces. This is one rectangular face. Okay, this is second rectangular face. This is second rectangular face. And this is the third rectangular face. So here you will have, this is going to be the third rectangular face. So you can see it has got 3 rectangular faces. Rectangular faces matlab the faces will be in the shape of a rectangle, and 2 triangular faces. Now see here, to see the triangular faces, एक तो देखो सामने की तरफ ही point कर रहा है ना, ये वाला. This is one face, this is one triangular face, you can see here. और एक इसके बिल्कुल पीछे होगा, and this is another triangular face. So it will have 2 triangular faces. Now see here the angle between 2 rectangular faces. अगर आप ये देखोगे, ये जो angle बन रहा है, this is the angle between 2 rectangular faces. So angle between 2 rectangular refracting faces is known as angle of prism. This is known as angle of prism. So this is given by letter A. So here you will find that this is your angle of prism A. So I hope this part is clear to you. Now let us try to see refraction of light through prism. मतलब एक हमारे पास prism है और prism से हम कोई एक light डालेंगे, right? So here we will talk about the refraction. Let's see here the refraction of light through prism. Now let's see here. Now see here, we will be first considering monochromatic light, है ना? Monochromatic light. देखो monochromatic light means it has only one wavelength. Light of only one wavelength. जैसे मान लो सोडियम लाइट है, तो सोडियम लाइट क्या होगी? मोनोक्रोमैटिक होगी. वो मतलब एक ही वेवलेंथ से बनी हुई है. बट इफ आई टॉक ऑफ पॉलीक्रोमैटिक लाइट मीन्स दैट इज बेसिकली लाइट विल बी कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ सो मेनी कलर्स. So there will be so many colors in the polychromatic light. It will not be of one wavelength. It will be of more wavelengths. So basically when you say white light, example white light is basically made up of 7 colors, na? And therefore your white light is basically polychromatic. तो सबसे पहले हम monochromatic light देखेंगे prism से डाल के. So let's see the figure for it. Now see here, to draw the figure, it is 3D figure नहीं बनाएंगे हम, ये आगे वाला face बनाएंगे. So I hope now it is clear to you what I am showing you. I am showing you this face. So this is the prism. I am showing you the front part of it, है ना, ये वाला. And this is your angle of prism. See, all the laws are going to be same if the ray goes from rarer to denser or denser to rarer, where it is going to bend and all, right? अब ये देखो, अगर मान लो ये एक ray, this is a monochromatic ray. So this is a monochromatic ray. So you will have a monochromatic ray or light falling on the prism. अब this is the normal drawn to the prism. ये normal है prism का, देखो this is 90 degree. So this angle is known as angle of incidence, and this is known as incident ray. So incident ray, and this angle I is angle of incidence. तो ये रे ऐसे जाएगी। अब ये देखो, अगर प्रिज्म नहीं होता तो ये रे ऐसे सीधे निकल जाती ना, अगर प्रिज्म नहीं होता तो। नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रिज्म इट विल गेट रिफ्रैक्टेड। नाउ सी आई एम गिविंग यू अ हिंट, है ना, कभी भी लाइट रिफ्रैक्ट होगी ना वो बेस ऑफ द प्रिज्म की तरफ होगी। वंस अगेन, whenever a light is going to get refracted, it will get refracted towards the base of the prism. तो अगर ये देखो, हमने अगर मान लो ये हमारा कॉन्वेक्स लेंस था, रिमेम्बर दिस, हमारे कॉन्वेक्स लेंस था। सो इफ आई डिवाइड इट इनटू सो मेनी प्रिज्म्स, ये देखो ऐसे, ये वाला है ना। सो हियर इफ अ लाइट इज फॉलिंग थ्रू, अगर मान लो ये लाइट यहाँ ऐसे गई है तो ये कहाँ जाएगी, टुवर्ड्स द बेस। ये लाइट यहाँ गई है, कहाँ जाएगी, देखो टुवर्ड्स द बेस, इट विल गेट रिफ्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द बेस। यहाँ पे जाएगी तो देखो बेस की, तभी ये देखो कन्वर्ज होती है ना। सो दिस इज वन वे ऑफ रिमेम्बरिंग इट। अगर कॉन्केव लेंस होता है इसकी जगह, अगर इसके जगह कॉन्केव लेंस होता, लेट अस सपोज इफ वी हैड कॉन्केव लेंस इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस। सो इफ आई हैड अ कॉन्केव लेंस, यहाँ पे देखो अगर कॉन्केव लेंस होता, दिस इज द कॉन्केव लेंस, तो कॉन्केव लेंस में देखो ट्राइंगल ऐसे बन रहे हैं ना, दिस इज द ट्राइंगल। तो अगर ये ऐसे जाएगी तो कहाँ जाएगी, बेस की तरफ। ये देखो ये डाइवर्ज हो गया, ये देखो। सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट योर रे विल बी bend, the ray will bend towards the base. So I hope this part is clear to you. So we don't want this part, this is just for you to understand it. तो यहाँ पे ये रे क्या होगी, बेंड हो जाएगी। So it will literally bend, थोड़ा सा ऐसे बेंड हो गई, right? So this angle, this is your refracted ray making an angle R here. That is your angle of refraction. Now if I draw a normal here, ये देखो यहाँ पे एक normal बना दिया। So now अगर आप ये भी देखोगे, in this case what is happening, the ray is going from rarer medium to denser medium ना, so it will bend towards the normal. And now here it is going from denser to rarer medium, so it will bend away from the normal. तो यहाँ पे ये ray ऐसे निकल आएगी। So this angle is E and this angle is R1. We can say let this angle be R2. So here you will find that angle E is angle of emergence. Now see, in case of a glass slab, I was equal to E, है ना? In case of a glass slab, glass slab, I is equal to E always, है ना? हमेशा ही यह थी. But this is not the case in case of prism. So in case of prism, okay, I is not equal to E. So you will find this. And here you will find that, so this is your emergent ray. So I hope these terminologies are clear to you. And this angle A, this A is angle of prism. Angle of prism. Now see here, if the prism would have not been there, okay, this ray would have gone straight like this. अगर प्रिज्म नहीं होता तो ये रे ऐसे सीधे निकल जाती। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ यू विल से बिकॉज ऑफ प्रिज्म यू विल फाइंड दैट दिस रे हैज गॉट डेविएटेड बाय सम एंगल, है ना। ये देखो ये रे इतने एंगल, दिस इस एंगल से ये इतनी मुड़ गई है ना, यहाँ पे देखो दिस एंगल डी, एंड दिस डी इज नोन एज एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन। देखो ग्लास स्लैब में क्या हो रहा था, ग्लास स्लैब में रे मुड़ी नहीं थी, रे क्या था, लैटरली डिस्प्लेस्ड हुई थी। लेकिन यहाँ पे तो रे क्या है, मुड़ गई है। बाय हाउ मच एंगल, बाय एंगल डी, दैट इज एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन। सो दिस एंगल बिटवीन द ओरिजिनल इंसिडेंट रे एंड द इमर्जेंट रे इज नोन एज एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन। सो इफ दे आस्क यू व्हाट इज एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन, द you can say this is known as the angle between original incident ray and emergent ray is known as angle of deviation, that is capital D. And therefore now if this experiment, okay, you have it in your practicals also, that you have to calculate the angle of deviation, so that we can always do it. So I hope these are the things which you need to understand. Now see, now here we have discussed that a monochromatic light was incident on a prism. लेकिन अगर मान लो हमारे पास white light है और हमने white light को prism में डाला है, so now let's try to understand this. We have dispersion of white light by glass prism. Let's try to understand this. Now see here, if white light is incident on prism, so if this is the prism, and if white light, this is white light, okay? So here you will find that this prism will split the white light into its constituent colors, and this phenomena is known as dispersion. So here you can say splitting of white light into its constituent colors by prism is known as dispersion. So once here you will say that the splitting of white light into its constituent colors is known as the dispersion. So now we know that white light is made up of, so here we will see, okay, जितने भी white light colors, white light कितने colors से बना है उतने ही colors क्या होंगे यहाँ पे disperse हो जाएंगे, means अलग हो जाएंगे. So here you will find that you will get a figure something like this. So here you will find so this is basically the dispersion taking place, and this is your original direction of light. So this is your original direction of light. This is the glass prism. देखो अब डिस्पर्शन बिल्कुल यहीं से ही शुरू हो जाएगा, पहले वाले फेज से ही डिस्पर्शन शुरू हो जाएगा. एंड हियर यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज रेड, द अपर पार्ट इज रेड एंड द लोअर पार्ट इज वॉयलेट. दिस इज वॉयलेट. और इसके बीच में आपको कलर्स मिलेंगे विब्योर, VIBGYOR, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So here you will find that you will get the white color spectrum. So here you will get white color spectrum. So I hope this is clear to you what is dispersion. Now the question arises why dispersion takes place. मतलब ऐसा क्या हो रहा है कि dispersion हो रहा है. So here let's try to see why dispersion takes place. This is a very common question, why dispersion takes place. Now see here, in this case you will find that different colors, you can see here, देखो red color has, अगर रेड कलर की बेंडिंग देखो तो रेड कलर इस एंगल से बेंड हो गया है ना, वॉयलेट कलर इस एंगल से बेंड हो गया है. सो डिफरेंट कलर्स कहीं बीच में होंगे तो डिफरेंट कलर्स दे बेंड बाय डिफरेंट एंगल्स व्हेन दे आर पासिंग थ्रू द प्रिज्म. So you will find that different colors bend through different angles with respect to incident ray, and therefore you will find that these colors they will emerge out along different path. देखो ये कलर क्या है, अलग अलग पाथ से आ रहे हैं. दे आर, इसका ये पाथ अलग है, इसका ये पाथ अलग है, and therefore it makes visible, it can be seen as distinct colors. So now let's try to answer this. So here you can see here different, why we have dispersion here, because we can say different colors of light bend through different angles with respect to incident ray. देखो इसका मतलब क्या है, एक और चीज देखो, इसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है दैट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स फॉर डिफरेंट colors is different. यानी कि आप देखो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स सबसे ज्यादा कौन मुड़ा है, वॉयलेट. सो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ वॉयलेट इज ग्रेटर देन रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ रेड. So this is one way of saying it. So here you will find a different colors of light bent through different angles with respect to incident ray. अगर ये ब्रैकेट वाला नहीं लिखना तो भी मत लिखना है ना. Through different colors of light bent through different angles with respect to incident ray. Okay, this you can just see if you want to write it, right? Different ray as they pass through prism. The rays of each color emerge along different paths and thus become distinct. Thus dispersion takes place. Now see from the figure which color has bended more. Red had, you can see that the red bends least and violet bends maximum. So I hope this is clear to you.